What is up, my friends? Welcome back to another video. It's time to do some cleaning. Okay, guys, so we got a living room here followed by a kitchen. Pretty simple. Got to do a little bit of dusting, as always, dusting with my Swiffer duster there, taking care of those blinds. From that point, we're going to move over to the recliner and then the little table next to the recliner. That's just a little microfiber cloth that I'm using there. And now this is my favorite tool of all time, the backpack vacuum cleaner. Yeah, I mean, look at that. I'm sitting there and vacuuming the pillows, gonna vacuum the cushions, pull them off that couch, get all those crumbs, and I even see some pennies there. Look at that. There's some coins. They're still there. Get them. Get him. There you go. Ah, he got him. He got him. There you go. And keep on vacuuming. Keep on vacuuming. After we finish vacuuming this couch, of course, we're going to flip it over and vacuum up underneath it and see what we find. Typically, there's always some interesting items. Pens, papers, popcorn, keeping it in the peas. Now we flip it over. We got crayons, darts. Is that a dart there? I don't know what that is. Sock. And some Easter egg chocolates. He's gonna suck it up. Oh, there we go. As you can see, that wand just pops right off. Change the attachment to a little brush attachment right there, and now we can vacuum the window sills and the blinds. I would vacuum all of the blinds if they're really dirty, but since we dusted them with our Swiffer, it's just that bottom part of that blind there, the bottom part of the blinds that was behind the couch. You gotta vacuum real well. Put our couch back down on the ground, straighten it up, make it look nice. There we go. And vacuum the rest of the house with our backpack vacuum. As you can see, those are concrete floors, stained concrete floors. What a better way to clean them than just to vacuum them. Turn it up. You know, there's really only one other word I can use to describe this besides vacuuming, and that would be cruising. Cruising? Not for a bruising, but cruising for clean. Walking back there to the dining room, you can see it's not even a problem. We just pull those chairs out with our hand and vacuum right where those chairs were, push them right back. Very simple, very simple. Now we start on our kitchen, and what I'm using to clean those countertops with is something called Shine Ease. It's a great granite countertop. It's actually just a natural stone countertop. You can use it on granite or quartz and marble as well. And it's just does a great job on those countertops. Not only does it clean easily, but it will also leave them shiny. So if you like your countertop shiny, that's the cleaner right there. I will leave a link to it listed down below in the video description box if you guys want to check it out. Onto our glass stovetop over there. All we use to clean it with is I'm just using a damp microfiber cloth with a little Dawn dish soap to get all the grease and grime off. That's all you need. You don't need any kind of expensive cleaner for your glass stovetop. Just keep it simple. Microfiber cloth, Dawn dish soap, and you'll be good to go. Now we're just removing that burnt on stuff with a razor blade. Make sure your razor blade is new and it's not dull. If you use a dull blade, it will scratch the stovetop. But if it's clean and fresh, it'll do just that. It'll pop all that burnt off stuff right off. For our stainless steel, what I'm using on these appliances is the Sprayway stainless steel cleaner. When it comes to stainless steel cleaners, there is no one cleaner that works on every single appliance, because all the appliances, all the different brands have different finishes and use different types of steel. Some are higher quality, some are lower quality. And so when it comes to polishing up your stainless steel, you just have to find one of the cleaners that work for your particular appliance. We carry around 3 different brands of stainless steel cleaners, and we use all of them. We have Wyman, Zepp, and that one, which is the Sprayway. I find the Sprayway right there works on most of the brands, followed by the Zepp, and then finally the Wyman. That Sprayway right there works great on that LG fridge, but I could take that to a different house that had a different brand with a different finish, and it would leave streaks. So you just have to find the one that works with your steel and your brand. So that's it, guys. This concludes this video. Thanks so much for being here. If you like this video, you found it valuable, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up, smash that like button, and if you want to take our relationship to the next level, then drop me a comment down below. Love to hear from you guys, and until then, I will see y'all in the next video.